In today's video, I'm going to teach you Grok AI, generate bulk images and videos in one click. First, open Grok using the X platform or by going directly to the official Grok website, then sign into your account. Once you're inside, the first thing you want to do is make sure your account actually has access to image and video generation. These features can vary depending on your plan and your region, so it's worth confirming this before you spend time setting everything up. After that, head to the Create or Generate section. This is the area where Grok lets you produce images, videos, or other AI-generated media. Once you find it, the next step is to prepare your prompt. This is where you describe exactly what you want Grok to create. For example, you could ask for a set of futuristic cyberpunk city images with neon lighting, flying cars, a cinematic atmosphere, and ultra-realistic details. In general, the more specific your prompt is, the better your results will be. Next, look for a bulk generation option if your account supports it. Depending on the version you're using, this might be labeled as batch generation, bulk creation, multiple outputs, or generate variations. The purpose is the same. It allows Grok to create several assets from one prompt instead of making them one at a time. Once that's enabled, choose how many images or videos you want to generate in one run. You might select 10 images, 20 images, 50 images, or several video variations. From there, configure the available generation settings. This can include things like aspect ratio, resolution, style, quality, and for videos, the duration. You may also be able to set the number of variations, which is useful if you want a wider range of creative options. Now click Generate and let Grok process the request. If you're creating a larger batch or using a more complex prompt, this may take a few minutes, so give it some time to complete. When the results are ready, review everything carefully. Pay attention to visual quality, how accurately each result matches your prompt, how consistent the outputs are, and whether there are any obvious AI artifacts. If something doesn't look right, refine the process by adjusting the prompt, changing the style, adding more detail, or generating extra variations. Finally, download the images or videos you want to keep. After downloading, organize your content into folders such as images, videos, social media content, marketing assets, or client projects. This becomes especially helpful when you're working with large batches and want to keep everything easy to find later.